Okay, I did compose it last week because I wanted to focus on other things this week. All right, so very quickly, I'm going to show you this compre because if you haven't done it, I'm only going to give you 10 minutes because I really want you to get, I want to see how many maximum marks you can get for this. So, Penny, put that away. Look at this and very, very quickly, I'm going to show you the passage first to see whether you have seen it before.
Wait, what about the synthesis?
We'll do that later, darling. That's very easy. So we're going to do that later. All right. Very quickly, have you done these questions? Maybe I'll stop share first. If you
I
haven't
did my
done,
homework.
if you haven't done, please let me know because I'm going to give you 10 minutes. All right, Tanmay, have you done it? Okay. Vihan?
Yes.
Okay. Rachel? Not bad. Penny? If you haven't, just be honest. I'll give you 10 minutes. Penny? Okay. He cannot hear me. Pranush, have you done it?
No, I haven't. Sorry.
It's okay. Penny?
He's
Penny?
What?
Have you done the
Did you do
compre-
your homework?
Yes or no? Yes or no? Why is he being an
He said
idiot
it's,
today?
he's saying yeah. He's like,
Can you just answer me, darling? Did you do it?
Yes.
All right. Pranush, we're gonna give you 10 minutes
Onion.
now, darling. Can you take us? Do you need a copy of this?
I think I have the worksheet. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Good. All right. Now, while I'm going to give because I really want everybody to maximize time. Pranush, do not listen to me. Quickly go and do your worksheet. I'll give you. It's now 5:40. You have exactly. I'm going to give you 5:40, 5:55. Okay, 15 minutes.
why do you say you're 40 like that? 40.
5:40. What do you mean by saying my 40 like that?
Nothing.
It's the
Okay,
accent.
5:55 Pranush, you come back. Okay, for the rest of y'all, since you've already done this, what I want you to do is very simple. Can you go to this last question of the challenging, the one that you have already done? All right. Now, I want you now not to write an essay, but the 15 minutes that, what do you call that, Pranush is taking to finish his compre. I don't want you to write an essay. I repeat, I want you to plan. That means when I will give each one of y'all exactly 2 minutes. All right, to tell me your story. Okay. And I want the composition to be write about a composition about an embarrassing situation. An embarrassing situation. I repeat, write a composition about an embarrassing situation. All right.
Do you
And
give
what
us
was-
any pictures?
no, I'm not giving you any pictures. Okay. So I'm going to just let it free reign. What was
Anything?
embarrassing about the situation? What did not how did you overcome? What was embarrassing about the situation? What did you do? All right. So 15 minutes. Don't write out the essay. Plan. Later, I'll say Tanmay, 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, I want you to talk the essay out to me. Vihan, Rachel,
Yes.
and Pin while Pranush does his compre. Everybody else, I want you to get through this time pressure, okay? So that I want to mock the PSLA, but you'll be under a lot of pressure.
Gloria,
5:41,
what do you mean? What do you mean by plan our thing? What do you mean?
on a piece of paper, write out how you, that means in your introduction, what are you going to talk about? That means this one, darling, your story mounted.
Oh,
So it's like a pointers. In
At
short.
least you don't need to write one. I'm
Introduction,
really tired.
rising action. Yes, you don't need
So
to.
it's just like pointers.
Yes, plan on a piece of paper. Okay, 15 minutes.
Wait, what's the topic about?
She's
An embarrassing
challenging-
situation.
Okay.
Okay,
Seriously?
15 minutes. All right, you will have 2 minutes to present each of y'all. And then, of course, we're not going to do that first. We're going to go through Pranish's comprehension, but I'll see how it goes. Okay, let's go. Go. 15 minutes.
Blah, 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 blah. Time to end the month. Why is Spotify not working? For my video.
Okie dokie. Should be ready now. Okay, let's start with synthesis and transformation. And then we'll go on to the rest of it. Because there's lots and lots of things I want to do today. Alrighty, where is it? Synthesis. Okay, so there's 5 questions, so it's perfect. I will do me 1 second. I've done this before, but I'm not sure I've done it with the class or not. All right, this is the order that we're going to take of the whole lesson today. Okay, this is going to be all right. I'm not sure if you can see this. Let me share my screen.
Oh, what?
Whoa, Ali.
Oh, what pity, you're the only one. Oh, man, I'm there.
So why do you have so much tabs on?
Because-
Yeah,
Right.
That's the reason why the Kahoot is laggy.
yeah.
What?
Look how many tabs do you have open?
You have a problem with
that's-
my tab being open? You have a problem with
Yes.
let's meet outside.
The problem is that whenever we play Kahoot, we
It lags.
It's freezing.
Yeah.
I can't see the screen.
So
Don't
true.
check with the screen. Try with the real woman.
What? Yawning is a warning. Acrobats got it. PDF your resume. Oh, come on, why me?
Meeting number one.
Yay, woo, yeah, let's go. Bro. Acrobats got it. PDF your resume. Land your dream job.
Number two. Meeting one, Rachel two.
Onboard customers fast. Your team deserves better.
Rachel Vihan. And Pranush.
If you drive after a few drinks, you're risking more than your license. Don't
Okay.
risk it.
Okay, so now. All right, so you all know the order, yeah? All right, first question.
I'm first. I'm first.
I'm not able to see this. So like that. You know, sometimes when you're
Because
trying
it is.
and you're gonna do this, that's when everything pops up.
I'm so bright. Mm-hmm. 1. We must not be late or we will be denied entry. In the event of...
So are y'all feeling confident about PSLE next week?
No, not really.
Yes, very confident.
Be honest with me. Why suddenly everybody has to cough?
There's a new virus going on.
Come on, be confident. Tell me, what are your thoughts about PSLE being
It's
next?
it's called the Gully-19. The Gully-19.
6 years of your primary school life, very sadly, was geared
Gully
towards
Billy
this one
19.
exam.
Gully, billy, 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 do.
How do you feel about it?
Very bad.
You feel bad about it?
Yeah. In the end, we still have to do this.
I
We
feel
can't
bad
do
also
anything
because the school food is actually good.
Okay.
How do you? What?
So you feel bad that you're gonna
I have
miss
tom
school?
yum. I actually have like fried chicken.
Wow.
See, I'm not
I have
I'm
like
That's
Milo,
because you
amazing.
feel like you're gonna
chicken
miss
rice. We used to have Western cuisine also.
Okay.
Oh well,
They
where did I
sold
go?
fries and fried chicken wings.
Chicken wing,
Really?
chicken wing.
Can we talk about something more substantial besides your food?
No,
I mean, it is. I mean, food is also important. So
It is important, but how are your thoughts?
exactly.
Sunny? That's what I want to know. How
No, I did the wrong thing.
y'all are ready? Do you feel like What are your thoughts?
Let's go, Borussia.
No. No go Borussia. What you
What are your
talking
thoughts about PSLE?
Me?
It
The
is
only things
a little
I
bit.
wanna know is that what I'm gonna do after PSLE. I don't wanna talk about that.
Okay, Pranush, what
The
are
only
your
thing that I'm
thoughts?
concerned about is my science. It's very, very
How much do you
low.
get?
I got like AL5 for my science, I'm pretty sure.
Okay,
I
so
got higher than you.
Pranush, Penny is worried about his sign. Vihan doesn't want to talk about PSLE. Pranush, Tanmayi, Rachel, can I have some thoughts?
I don't want my mother tongue. I'm gonna do
Same.
that.
Same.
I
Same.
wish China could just dissolve as a country and we don't need to
Rachel, what
learn
about
Chinese
you?
anymore.
Guys, I'm trying to talk to Rachel. Hush.
I don't want math.
Hush, little baby,
Yeah, me
don't
too. I
you
also
cry.
don't want math.
Everything's gonna be
Guys,
alright.
can I please talk to
And
Rachel?
I got it right.
Penny, can you just shush?
Yes, okay, I'll
Hello.
shush. I'll shush.
All
All right, Rachel, what are you thinking?
I'm worried about my math.
That's what you're worried about. Okay. All right, but for your other subjects, you're fine? Okay, so Rachel is worried about maths. Tanmay is worried
Same.
about mother
I'm
tongue.
Me
worried about
too.
2 subjects.
Yeah, me
I
too.
worry about mother
Math.
tongue and
Mother tongue.
science.
All right,
Math and
Yeah,
mother tongue.
for me it's mother tongue and maths.
Pranush,
My
what
math
are
is
same.
actually pretty good.
How
Pranush,
much?
My math is
I'm
pretty bad.
talking to
My prelim I
Pranush.
got 86 out of 100.
Ah,
Okay, Pranush, what are your thoughts?
Huh? Oh, I'm worried about Hindi and maths.
Hindi and maths as well.
Yeah.
Everyone
Okay.
hates
But
mother
can I also
tongue.
share mine?
Yes.
Hindi and maths. Same thing. It's actually kind of true though.
All right, you know what? It's going to be next week. You're going to embrace it. You're going to give it your best shot. And then, but I don't want you to be complacent. I want you to give it your best
Placement
shot.
to
Is
the earth.
that okay? All right, let's start. Penny, first question.
Forcément
Mhm.
visually
read the question?
couchiable,
Oh,
fra,
God.
Kylian
Penny,
Mbappé.
focus. I'm gonna
Okay,
put
okay,
you-
okay, okay, okay.
Okay, you know what? Let
I
me
know.
put you. No, because I want you to focus on what's happening in class. Read the question, give me the answer. Penny, go.
In the event of
What are you talking? I want you to read the question first, please. We must not
okay,
be-
we must not be
Teacher,
late or
he
we will be denied entry.
Okay.
Uyo.
In the event of us being late, we will be denied entry.
In the event of us being late,
I guess, I don't know. It's a
Nope.
confusing one.
Can someone correct this for me?
Me.
Coventry City versus Tottenham. Let's go.
Shut up.
One more time, there's going to be football reference. I'm going to kick both the boys out and we're going to have lesson. Sorry, Vihan, what were you saying? Can
Why?
someone?
I didn't even talk about football.
What
In
is
the event that, sorry, we must not be late or will be denied entry. In the event that we are late, comma, we will be denied entry.
Correct. In the event that we are late, we will be denied entry. And also in the event that we are late, after late, I want you guys to put the comma. Is that clear? All right, next question. Who is the second person? Second person?
Me, it's me.
All right, Vihan, are you the second person?
Yes, Rosie wanted the artist to paint a portrait of her. His works had won many awards. The artist whose works had won many awards was wanted by Rosie to paint a portrait of her.
Huh? Repeat that again. The artist, again, what do you say? Sorry, I
Also,
need to check again. Say that again.
the artist whose works had won many awards was wanted by Rosie to paint a portrait of her.
Okay, was wanted by Rosie. I think that's the one that a lot of people will trip. All right, question 3. Who's question 3?